Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Zoom extension on your mobile. First, open the Play Store and search for Queta browser. Install it and open the browser. Then go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Zoom. Open the Zoom extension and tap Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once it's installed, tap the three dots menu, go to Extension and open Zoom. Now you will need to sign in, so just tap and log in with your account. After signing in, open the extension again and you will see it's working properly. Now you can use the Zoom extension on your mobile. If you try to start a meeting and it asks you to download Zoom, don't worry. Just tap three dots and enable desktop mode. After that, it will work without any problem. Hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.